box of 2020 Topps Tier 1, though. Now I'm going to pick your team. One up to $20. Jay Bryce is the Dodgers, Tigers, Russ is the Yankees, White Sox, Mike is the Reds and Pirates, Adam is the Marlins and Twins, Leviticus is the Mets and Indians, Scott is the Cubs and Rangers, Jay Bryce is the Padres, D-backs, Angels and Orioles, Chris is the Braves and Stros, Avery is the Nationals, Giants, Adam is the Cardinals, Royals, Jason is the Red Sox, Rays, Raul is the Mariners and Blue Jays, Tom is the Brewers, Rockies, Don is the Phillies and the Athletics. I like the glare of that Carter Hart. Fly or die, baby. One box of this left. We'll get that posted tomorrow. As well as we have 2 boxes of Bowman Sterling. So if they don't get that up, I think we have 2. Which is the 2 boxes. We're gonna maybe a Topps Chrome Jumbo posted. 10 at 30. One of those 440. 440. 390. So we get 10 at 39 maybe. We have 315 out of 395. Matt Beatty, game used memorabilia. Going to the Dodgers. And Jay Bryce with the Dodgers. Nice, that was my top loaders. We have 270 out of 299. Brian Reynolds going out to the Pirates. And it was the Pirates. Mike with the Pirates. Nice. How about 5 out of 10? Rafi Devers. Nice one there. It's going to the Red Sox and Jason. Congratulations on that, Jason. Clean card, dude. Rafi Devers autoed at 10. This product is so nice. Nice Devers auto at 10. Congratulations on that, Jason. Sick hit.